Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to quickly talk about bell zone controlling in standard electric master clocks. These clocks were developed to control all the clocks and timekeeping in a location. So they were often used in schools, but they've also been used in firehouses as well as train stations. Essentially, this master clock keeps time, and on the minute mark, it advances all slave clocks and bell controllers 1 minute. How the bell zone controller works in this particular clock is there was a punch tape that was fitted through this pulley, and it would cycle down to the base of the clock, return over this pulley, go down once more, and then go back over. And when you would punch a hole in the tape, it would make contact with this brass bar on the certain minute that you dictate. So then you could control the bells to ring on any precise minute in a 24-hour period. You can also use this wheel, which keeps track of 12-hour periods, and you could use it and fit little tiny brass pins, so you could shut off a certain bell zone for a 12-hour section. And then after it goes through there, what it's actually controlling are relays, which are fitted to the top of the clock. Normally they would all look like this, and it consists of a large coil that closes two electric contacts together when it's activated. And then the voltage that would be pressed on the two contacts that are being closed would then be used to trigger a certain bell. And you can see there's 4 relays as well as a slave clock relay located up there. At the base of the clock, you have controls to manually adjust bell controlling. If you wanted to shut off a certain bell zone, all you would need to do is move these switches, and effectively all bell zones are now deactivated. To re-engage, all you have to do is put the switches back on. You can also use these buttons located at the base of the clock to manually ring a bell zone. So if I press zone 1, you can hear zone 1's relay trigger. Zone 2, which this is the only original relay left in the clock, unfortunately. Relay 3 and relay 4. And that's about all there is to it. It's a pretty effective system for controlling up to 4 different bell zones. I will make a future video when I figure out a way to make a bell tape pulley. Unfortunately, this clock was gutted when I got it, and I reinstalled this unit myself as well as those relays, because when I got it, the only thing left was this relay and the master clock mechanism. So I'm figuring out a way to recreate a pulley for the lower portion of this. If anyone has any questions or advice on how to make this, just let me know. And I'm always happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out my other videos on my channel.